Guys, how's everybody doing? Today I wanted to talk about AI, my favorite AI that I use for all 15 or actually maybe 20, even 20 social media channels now. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff. This is my favorite AI software that I use to create all my faceless content. So let's take a look and go inside. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of the type of content I've been creating. This tool is called Dream Machine, and you can get it at dreammachine.lumalabs.ai. Let me just show you an example of the kind of stuff I've been making. Now, this is some videos I made on Japan recently. Let me just show you this kind of cool stuff here. Okay, so for example, I was making a video on the Japan Expo that's coming up in next month. And it's a Japan channel, and you can see here that this is like an artistic impression of what the expo is going to look like. And all I did to make this was simply put in a simple prompt. So it looks like over this here. Let me show you. So I said something like, focus on capturing a vibrant and innovative expo in 2025. And then what it does is it kind of just it kind of envisions what I want, and it asks me, is this what you wanted? And then I can modify it, or I can ask for more variations. So I can extend it, I can make it longer, I can modify it, I can tweak it with more text prompts, or I can just ask for different variations. So here's another example. That's kind of boring. Let me show you this one. Okay, so again, this is just something else that I created for my Japan channel. And again, it's all about the expo. This one's kind of cool. Drone shots I find do very well on my YouTube channel, so I like to do lots of drone shots. And you can see here that this was created in a matter of seconds. So it's some of my favorite software. And here's another sample here. Okay, and all I did to make all this stuff was just simple text prompts. It's my favorite tool. And I've created just hundreds and hundreds of videos now with this tool. Let me show you another example, maybe a different type of content, just so you can get like a better idea. Let's try drones. Oh yeah, this one. So I also have a e-bike channel that I make drone footage, and I find the drone shots of e-bikes do really well. So this was a simple prompt. I just asked it to give me a drone shot of a man riding an e-bike in Peru, and then it came up with this. Okay, so and here's another example, and here's another example. Let me show you some more. Now this is only a 5-second clip, and you can see here that it looks almost perfect. Every once in a while there will be a weird glitch that you'll see that it won't be quite perfect, but 99% of the people that watch these clips can't tell that it was generated by AI, okay, which is pretty cool. So that's where the AI has gotten so good now that you can't even tell that it's AI generated. This looks like a real guy riding a bike in Peru with a real drone. It's pretty wild. And again, I put this on my YouTube channel, and I created that within a matter of seconds, just with a simple text prompt. Let me show you another example of something. Let's see here. I was talking about the pavilions that are going to be coming up in the Japan Expo, and like just the artistic impressions are crazy. Let's see what else I got here. Oh yeah, like this stuff's wild. And the thing is, my YouTube videos are just on fire right now. Because this is all considered original content on YouTube. YouTube likes to push it out, even though it's AI content. It's original content. So look at this, look at the crazy footage. I was talking about sustainability and renewable energy, and there's pavilions in the Osaka Expo that's coming up where there's a lot. It has a lot to do with renewable energy. So I was just creating all these futuristic scenes for the Japan Expo that's coming up. So I highly recommend it. I think the software is just absolutely mind-boggling. And again, for those that missed the name, it's called Dream Luma Labs. And here's the link: dreammachine.lumalabs.ai. Let me just show you one more example of stuff I've been making. Oh yeah, this is crazy. Like I needed some samurais, guys that were dressed from the Edo period. So I just said craft 2 videos depicting samurais in the early Japan. Okay, and this is what I came up with. Look at this. It's like perfect. Like this looks like just 3 actors. You know, they got their little kimonos on, and then here's in their traditional samurai outfits. Their hands are perfect. Their feet are perfect. The face image is perfect. So it looks like a scene right out of the Edo period, you know. And this is great for all kinds of storytelling and whatever you want to do. What else do I have here? I got tons and tons of footage. Oh yeah, this was great too. This was some of my favorite footage that I made. I wanted a Quentin Tarantino type style of something that showed the Yakuza gangs in Japan. So I just asked for Yakuza members in the 1980s attire in vibrant Tokyo, highlighting the city's dynamic energy. So this is what I came up with. It was pretty cool. You know, all the facial expressions, the anatomy's correct. It's kind of got this anime effect going on. It's pretty cool. And here's some Yakuza board members talking in their back office. So the videos I've been generating for my social media storytelling it's just been fantastic. Here's another scene, another Yakuza scene. And again, here's some more colorful 1980s Yakuza shots. Kind of got that Pulp Fiction vibe. And again, for those that missed it, you can actually, like if I didn't really like this scene, but I wanted something similar, I could just go over here and click extend, and I can make it longer. Or I could say, make 4 different variations. Give me some more variations. I really like this, but I want some more variations. Okay, or you can go over here and say brainstorm, and then I could add, it could actually give me suggestions. Or I could go down here and type in something and say do this but change this, you know, and I could change one aspect. I could say make it at night instead of during the day or whatever. Again, here's some more Yakuza shots. So it was great. It's great for my storytelling. And it's getting to the point where the anatomy is correct, the bodies are correct, you know. And before, like a year ago, I couldn't make footage like this, but now it's getting to the point where I could make a full film. I could make a full 30-minute, 1-hour film if I really wanted to with Luma Labs. So it's pretty crazy. So anyways, that's the type of stuff I've been making. Now, those were just with text prompts. You can also upload video or pictures. So, for example, this here is a real image. This was a real image of an e-bike pedal. And I uploaded an image, and then it animated the photo for me. So you can also animate photos. So you can pan left, you can pan right. So if you want to do like a product demonstration of like a type of product, you could upload a photo of the product, and then you can actually demonstrate, you could animate it, which is pretty wild. So these are real images that I've animated. It's pretty crazy. And all I did, again, was just upload it and hit click, and it animated the photos for me. You can do drone shots, you can zoom out, you can zoom in. So if you're looking to create content on social media, TikTok, YouTube, like it's just, the opportunities are endless now. So I'll leave you with that. Hopefully you find that useful. And if you want to learn more about how to make money with affiliate marketing, I have a free course. Just go to my profile. Anyways, thanks for watching. And again, here's the link. This is my favorite tool, Dream Machine, lumalabs.ai. Go check it out and start creating content And I'll see you in the next video. All right, talk to you later.